Hey everybody, Tony Carreri.
And Chris Carreri with Lakeland's Realty.
Where we live the life we sell. Today we're actually, this is the not so fun part of living the life we sell. We're out here cleaning up shoreline. And we've got 250 feet of shoreline. And the lake is at its all-time low right now. It's down 4.5 feet. February 2nd, rule curve solstice day. Lake starts coming back up again. So every year we come out, people say, why did they lower the lake? This is one of the reasons. We can come out and we've got just, thankfully, just a real small bag of trash. We got a tree here that we pulled out. That was a lot of fun. And just kind of cleaning up branches and things so that when we're swimming in the summertime, we don't have to worry about all that
so
stuff.
When they lower the water, it gives everybody a good chance not only clean up your shoreline, but you can work on docks, seawalls, that sort of thing. They end up lowering the water a total of 4.5 feet, but we'll get into that in a different video.
Yeah, we'll do a rule curve video where we get a little deeper into that. But again, one of the reasons why they lower the lake every year is so you can do some shoreline maintenance and make the lake a better place for everybody.
It's pretty exciting. Next step is getting on the boat and cruising.
Yeah, I can't wait. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon.
Take care.